This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to run bug bounty tests and full website penetration tests using Penligent.ai, completely automated, no command line needed. You know what's wild? Finding critical vulnerabilities with just one click. No long commands, no confusing setups, just point, click, and let the AI handle the grind. Penligent.ai is like your smart hacking buddy. It scans, tests, and even builds reports for you, all in one place. Pretty cool, right? So let's see how it works.